Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Biology Past Question 2019, Question 18. To focus on a distant object, the ciliary muscle of the eye A. contracts and the lens gets thicker, B. relaxes and the lens gets thinner, C. contracts and the lens gets thinner, D. relaxes and the eye lens gets thicker. The eye is a very complex and elaborate structure. It helps us to see. Now the our sight is not just based on you looking and seeing what there are so many things that go on before you see. Now the eye composes of ciliary muscles and it has lenses too. Now the function of this lens is to direct the light. If the light is if it's a distant light or a distant object that you're trying to view, the lens will have to get thinner so you can see it. But if the let me write it down, the lens gets thinner for distant objects, but if the object is very close, the lens gets thicker. Now for the ciliary muscles contract when it's a distant object and it relaxes when the object is close. So the ciliary muscle contracts for far objects and vice versa for distant objects. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.